Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in those kind of content, please subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, as you can see from the title, this video is going to be a what's in my bag, boy? What's in that bag, boy? Rolly, 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 rolly. Yeah, so this video is going to be a what is in my bag video, teacher's edition. So yes, without further ado, let us get into the video. Alright guys, so a bag kind of heavy. I'm kind of tomboy sometimes, so yes, I'm a teacher, but this is the bag I carry to school. I've had this bag from last year, last year September. I bought it in Maypen. It's not a bougie bag. Yeah, I'm buying a Maypen. It's a Biawang, Biawang, can't pronounce that. Biawang, and it's a knapsack, and it also has a strap, boy, that you can carry. At the moment, it's kind of heavy. I don't know how it's so heavy right now. I really don't know. Anyways, but yeah. So this is what the bag looks like, and on my bag you'll see I have a puff that I think my son give me this thing, Kajay give me this, and I've always had my hand sanitizer in my bag, and I just corona time. So yes, in my bag, first of all, I always have my purse in my bag. Not gonna tell them I keep my purse, but yes, I always have my purse in my bag. Good. All right, so I'm gonna be starting from the front parts of my bag, and in the front parts of my bag at the moment I carry a rag, carry my, what is something your name, wipes case. It's my wipes case, and I bought this from Tovia Simit. So if you guys are interested, you just hit me up and I will, you know, give you her info to get yours. They are pretty cute. My sister have one cute pink one. Guys, I first ever see something with no yellow. Well, me think prettier than one yellow something. Me not lie. If you are one cuter than for me, cause it's kind of vibrant. Yeah. I have a mask, and this mask is my school mask. Me not gonna show my school logo no go away. So yes, this is the color of my school. So they made this mask and they gave it to us. I have a lot of chargers in my bag. But before I show you my chargers, I have my house key. I have my AirPods. It's cute though. It's yellow. Anyways, and I have all my chargers. I have my charger for my phone, a charger for my AirPods, charger for my calculator. Yeah, I'm showing that in the few. So yeah, I have all of that, and a charger for my tablets. So yeah. And in the big parts of my bag, I have a book. Yeah, yellow. People don't come at me. I love yellow. So I have a notebook, and even though we're not going back to school, I'm gonna need to, you know, jot down things that I will teach, the topics that I've taught, and you know, just keep records. So I always have a book in my bag. And then we'll be using technology. So I have my tablet that I'll be using. I wanna look for my screensaver if it can't show. Come on, something. Isn't that cute? Education is the key to success. And then my background kind of cute, so I'm gonna open it and show, no? My maths looking something. Yeah, it kind of hardly show now because it's kind of bright, but yeah, there we go. Yeah, so yes, that's my tablet thingy. And then I have my calculator, and this calculator was given to me by my uncle from in a college days. Yeah, so I can charge and whatnot. I need to get myself one of those ordinary scientific calculators, but this is what I have, and yeah, it works perfectly. Then I have my umbrella. It's purple. I love purple and yellow and black, so those are the most colors. I have my sanitary kit, which kind of want to change because I have it long time, but oh well. In my sanitary kit, I have sanitizer, I have a toothbrush, I also have some gloves. I keep this pair of gloves, and like whenever I use it, then I will replace it because, you know, corona. Then I have tissue in it, I have some sanitary napkins, I have lotion. I always try and have band-aid and cotton swabs, and I have, they call this needle and thread. You may never know, might need a needle and thread. I have a shampoo, but I would actually use this like soap, but I have a shampoo, I have a mini shampoo, I have a mini soap. People only never know what will happen, so you have to have all these things. I have my chapstick, I have a perfume, the roll-in perfume something, and I have a scrunchie, and I also have elastic will just drop it lucky. I don't know I'm drop for. So yes, I have all of these things, so in case, you know, something might happen and you get stuck somewhere, I pretty much always have these things in my sanitary kit. And I think both males and females can have a sanitary kit. You may never know what will happen. You have a toothbrush. Oh yes, I have a toothpaste in my bathroom, a small one that I'm gonna be adding to this bag, so you guys can count that as also being in my bag. I have a geometric set, so it's a mathematical instrument set. I'm a math teacher, so I'm gonna be needing this. So yes, I also have my pencil case that I bought the other day, and guys, I love the pencil case, but I don't know if you guys can see some black something, but me not understand where it come from, even, you know, me don't know where it come from. Me just put it in my bag, every time I take it out me see that up here, but oh well, it's fine. In the back part, I have my box cutter, I have glue, my highlighters, I have 2 whiteboard markers, because teaching from school I'm still gonna need it, even if I'm, you know, even if I'm at home, I'm still gonna need it, so I have that. I have my sharpener, and this sharpener is going to be used for my pencil crayons, so I have those in there. And then I also have my scissors, my purple and yellow scissors in that area. And then in the front part of my case, I have my sharpener for my pencils, and I have a whiteout. I have quite a few pencils in here and some pens. So I have pencils and pens. I have my RSVP pen, black, and I have a red. I have 2 other reading pen, 2 black and 2 blue pens. These pens that I bought in my back to school video that you guys saw earlier. And I also have this little rubber here. It kind of look like one crayon, but yeah, it's yellow, it's cute. So yeah, and yeah, that is what is in my pencil case. And then there's a little back part in the bag, and there it comes with this little thing here where you can actually plug in your phone in, and it comes with the cord and everything. So the cord goes into the back of my bag, and I have in the back, in that area, I have my power bank, and this power bank is actually from JT. We got this last year, I think. And I keep this in the back of my bag, so you know, if light goes at school or something and my battery needs to charge, then I'll need that. And then there is another section in the back here, and in that area I keep remember I said scandal bag kind of come out of style, and you know, so in there I have 2 of these bags. I have a small one, so you know, if I go to the shop while I'm going home or whatever, I have this one, and I have a bigger one. So I always keep try to keep those things in my bag. So I have this size and I have this size, so I always have something, you know, when I walk from the supermarket with the things in my hand, That is not cute, people. It is not cute. So yeah, that is what is in my bag. So that is gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what is in my bag. Let me guys know down below what other things I should have in my bag, or what are some of the things you did not even know you should have in your bag. So yes guys, this is gonna be the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Comment if you made it to the end of this video, comment my peace sign, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.